Saturday, April 13th, 2024. Cartersville, Georgia, Georgia Highway 140. We're getting on I-75 South at exit 306. We're going to go down and get off at exit 296 and go to a new solar cell factory. I've got video of it, but I didn't know what it was, so we're going to go down and get that. We're also going to get video of this exit where they are making the roundabouts at 296. There is a fairly new TA there and an older pilot, and I just don't know if these roundabouts are going to work very well for them or not. But we're going to go ahead and turn this one off. We get on 75. About 2 miles, maybe 3 miles before we get off, we'll turn it back on and get that exit, and then go to that industrial area where that Q cells and new solar cell Q cells factory is going to be. It's in the Bush Logistics Center complex, or whatever they call it. It is about 12:25. I don't know what the temperature is right now. I'll check that for when we get off. White 12 miles, Atlanta 60. We'll be getting off at exit 296. Okay, Cass White, exit 296 is about a mile off. We'll be getting off. Check out these roundabout exits. We're also, I don't know if I mentioned it or not, we're going to be heading to South Georgia this afternoon. We're getting a late start, but I want to end up down around St. Mary's, Kingsland, Woodbine, Brunswick, down through there. That's our destination, but there's no telling where we'll end up. Y'all know that if y'all watch many of these videos. But I really do need likes, shares, watch time. I really do appreciate it. Need it very badly. Okay, well watch, see they've got there's a lot of logistics stuff around here. These roads, they're just not built to handle them. A lot of 2-lane stuff still here. And again, this is Q cells. I don't know anything about them, but they manufacture solar cells. If you're going to the right, I guess you go ahead and take that one to the right. We're going to wait. Let's see. We're going to take this one right here. They may work. But like I said, there's not any traffic right here right now either. This one over here was clogged up the other day pretty bad. You've got the TA here on the left, the pilot on the right. You've got the Bush Brewery down on the right if you turn right past the pilot. This is about as slow as I have ever seen this exit. They may know what they're doing, I don't know. But anyway, just for those inclined, the Lion's Den Adult Novelty Store is right up there on the left. So you've got the pilot, you've got the TA right here. I think I can see part of that building from here. Well, probably not. That's a different logistics. 2 logistics buildings over there. Well, like I said, these roads are still 2-lane. You've got logistics centers left and right. You've got a high school up here where you've got high school traffic. And you've got bumper cars that ride your bumper, just like everywhere. too. Get off of our bumper car. I have drone video of this out here too. Before most of this stuff was built. Okay, you were on our bumper. Come on around. Cemetery up here too. I've taken naps there before. Now I think this is part of the company as well, Q-Cells. It looked like it on the Google map, but this isn't the big area. I don't know, but you would think they would cover the buildings with solar cells, their own solar cells, would you? Logistics stuff out there to the right and the left. This big one out here is coming up on the left. Now you were right on our bumper. Now you're going to come up here and crawl. That is a huge place. They are going to be manufacturing solar cells, Q-Cell. We're just going to ease up here and turn around. We will go ahead and finish up this industrial area video, then start uploading it so y'all can Google, research the Q-Cells and see the information about it, and just see a little bit more about this area. Well, I have flown the drone from right up here. The cemetery is right over there on the right, right over there, and the water tower is up there. All of this is fed by a 2-lane road on both sides. When we leave out, we'll go out over there and hit 411 and let you see how we go out over there. Our total logistics. No, Bartow location of choice. Bartow location of choice. Bartow County. I think this is called Bush Logistics Park. This whole area. I guess when Bush built a brewery, they probably bought all this land back then. Vanderland. I've heard that, but I don't know who they are, what they do. Cul-de-sac on the end of that. They've got an extension going out there, so they'll be doing more stuff out there. This land has gotten too valuable to raise cows and hay on, folks. Oh, mockingbird. Pick it back up when we leave out of here, going to the left, and then we'll video it on over to US 411, and that'll be a wrap. We'll put it together and start uploading it. Yeah, you can see back through there how big that factory is, going all the way back there to the back. Okay, what are you doing? Being pretty indecisive today, aren't they? It's usually our job. Slower than we drive. Something's up today, isn't it, folks? Something strange going on. By these two-lane roads. I said, along with residential, school traffic. They may be getting ready to widen this. Should have been done already. More logistics there to the left. That up there on the hill on the right, we have drone video from that as well. And I say, when they first started building these things, when they would get finished, they were full. Companies moved into them and they were full. Now these things are sitting. They have got so many of them built that they're vacant. I think this were tax write-offs. Okay, we're going to let this guy get by. Come on by, get up here behind that slope up. Push him down the road, not us. Georgia. I actually call this white, Cass white. You know he's pushing that car up there. You've got another roundabout down here, and it goes to the left. It goes out to Cass White High School. And here to the right goes up to that logistics center where we have drone video. Go around, and to the left there you get the high school. Jeep's got a whole bunch of ducks up there on the dash. Somebody left a duck on my Jeep the other day. Yeah, the high school's out there to the left. We won't go out there. But like I said, you got all this high school traffic. You got all of this logistics traffic. These 2-lane roads. Cartersville is to the right, White, Georgia is to the left, and north. South is to the right. We will turn this off. We'll stop somewhere, put it together, upload it. It'll be a wrap. This will be a wrap.